Hello, welcome back. Today I'm sharing the first edition of the Purple book, Learning Language Arts Through Literature. These are different from the current versions, and I couldn't find much information about them, so I thought I would get them and share them with you. All right, so this is the 5th grade book. This particular copy has lost its back cover, so I cannot share that with you. I have found some pictures of it on eBay if you're interested. And there's the introduction, how to use the book, the integrated language approach, and then spelling. They suggest the Ruth Beechick method. The materials that you'll need, fairly simple. And then the lessons. This one's laid out a little different than the other ones that I've seen. This one actually tells you like day 1, day 2, and so on. And then at the very end, there's the teacher helps, just like in the other book. From what I remember, this one goes over oral presentations. It looks like some patriotic songs. I'll try and remember to type that in the description from the screenshot that I took from an eBay picture. Get into a little bit of geography with this because it's talking about Antarctica. Skip a little further. Okay, and just like the other books, there are the student editing models for the Copywork or Dictation. And it has the appendix. So this is different. The other 2 books that I have shown you do not have the appendix. Here's a master spelling list for the teacher that you have permission to copy. These are some passages for your student to read. And it will tell you in the lessons when to go read those. And then there are some coloring pages you have permission to reproduce. And then there is the bibliography. And then the skills index. And the main bibliography for the book. And that is that. Now this one is much thicker than the, this is the 2nd grade book, or not, excuse me, this is the 3rd grade book. I do not have the 2nd grade book. This is the fourth grade book. And if you compare the fourth and fifth grade book, it's a bit thicker, probably with all the extra reading and coloring pages in there. And it's just set up a little bit differently. Hopefully that was helpful to y'all. Hope you have a great day.